No? Anyone? Manish? Which purpose we can use start and end transaction?
Can we use it to measure the response time of the particular request?
Okay, to measure the particular request or action, we are using from the start or end transaction.
And
Yes.
transaction.
Okay, so now everyone is clear, right? Which function will be generated and everything. So now today, like we can execute one time this. Okay, just I recorded already, so I'm not recording every time. So just will execute one time. Like execute nothing but we are replaying the our script because it is working or not. We are checking as a debugging. Okay. Okay. Your script will be working fine. So you can observe transaction, all transactions are there, and you got from the script also pass, and you got from the these are the response times you got. So my question is like I have the login is there and launch is there and some action parts will be there, logout will be there. So you can observe here in the actions we have the three sections. One is for the user init and action and user end. So user init nothing but it is the initial section. Initial section nothing but you want to like record the like login part user like launch and login, then you can use from the user init. Action part nothing but so this select a pet, select a product, add to cart, payment, up to this is the business part. So means what is the business will be there you want record means we are recording the action part, and end part nothing but user end nothing but it's a logout, like it's a end section we are recording. So how many sections in load runner anyone ask means we have the three sections: user init, action and end. So user init means initial section, and action nothing but it's a business flow, and user end nothing but it's a logout.
Sir, virtual user in initial section is count as a launch section or login section?
Both, right? It's a launch and login is the initial only, right?
Okay.
Okay. So my question, why we are giving from the user init initial and login, and action part why we are giving for the this business transactions, user end why we are giving for the logout. Anyone? I think everyone is in this like today class, right? Everyone will be previous already previous
Yeah.
batch, right?
So this is a business flow.
Okay, business flow. Then what is a business flow? We know that is a business flow. Action
Right.
part we are recording business flow. That is
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Why
Yes,
we
sir.
are giving from the user init
Login, sir.
as a initial section launch login, and action part why we are putting from the action part
Business flow.
user
Yeah.
end part.
Yeah. Log out. User entry log out.
Yes, why I'm asking. Manish?
Sir, basically, sir, one application only one time is a login and log out.
Okay.
Business flows are different scenario. Then I need to uh,
Yeah.
this part
So
of
yes, somewhat is correct only.
yes.
So, like when you are executing the script, example, if you are given from the entire code in the launch, login, logout, and everything, you are given the action part. So, this script you are executed from the 1 hour duration. So, with 100 users, assume, or 10 users, just assume from the 10 users. So, 10 users, your execution you are doing means login how many times it is happen, and business part everything I like business part nothing but is including from the all, and log out how many times it will run from in the 1 hour duration. Okay. Anyone guess? Like for every 1 second, one request is generating. Every 1 second, one request. So I'm giving from the some clue also. One request is generating. Okay. Now login how many it is generated, business part how many generated, logout how many generated.
Ten users.
Anyone guess?
Sir,
Maybe assume. So thinking about that, 3,106 seconds, right? 1 hour means login 3,600 transactions happen, and this is also 3,600 because I given 1 second only, right? 3,600
yes, sir.
transactions happen from this. So actually, how many users you are executing?
10.
10 users. But it is executing from the login and end also it is executing from the this many times. It is a valid scenario.
Yep.
No, right? Because login is happen 10 times only, but only business part only you want to iterate from the 3,600 times.
Okay. Okay.
So at that time we can use from the these sections, user init section, and see for example I will show the real time also for here. Okay. For now we are not executing control, right? We can try here also in runtime settings. In the run logic we are giving from the 10 iterations. You can save this and just replay this. So now you can observe. We'll observe from the two types. Now everything in the where in the action part only. Now everything in the action part. See how many times it is executing? 10 times. 10 users we are given 10 times it is executing. Because here we are executing only iteration based. If you want to execute from the duration based means where we can execute means in controller we can execute in controller or performance center. Okay. Now your execution is completed. Now you can observe this login how many times happen? 10 times happen. Login how many times happen? 10 times happen. So this all means every user also 10 times. Every like transaction it is a 10 times happen. Everything is in the where user, everything in the action part only. You can observe here. User in it, one time only it is executed. Action it is a 10 times executed. User end it is executed one time. So means what will happen, right? If you execute giving from the 10 user, this action part only it will execute from the number of times it will iterate. Okay, now what we can do means we can change from the initial part initial and launch part launch. We can put it. Okay, this everything is coming to the up to this is the please mute Narayana. Okay, so user init part I'm keeping. Okay, and go to the end section. Okay, end part. So now as per our expectation we are given. Now same thing we can execute. Now we can observe user init how many times it will executed, action how many times, and user end how many times. Can just click from this replay. You can observe here. So launch is going and login is happened. It is not see some error we got. What is that error? Okay. Some text is okay. So now again we'll execute from the again some error we got. See now you can observe every time it's going to the login and you can observe how many times login it is happen, how many times it is action part will execute will be know from the now. You can observe just only I put from the launch, that is why you can observe how many times it is happen, only one time, and logout I happen from the how many times, only one time. But you can observe what are the action part it will be there, it will execute it from the 10 times. So means when you are executing 100 user means only launch login it is happen from the 100 times only, but this action part it will execute from the number of times. So that is the major difference from the when you are executing the from the scripts using for the this. And same to the we have one more scenario. For example, we can give it as a rename it this some pet booking. You can observe pet booking this scenario. And I have one more scenario. It is from the create new action. I am creating from the new action. Cancel pet booking is a one more scenario example. So now I created two scenarios. Now what is my scenario means, okay, login also we can keep from the here only. Okay, login also we can put it from there only, sign in basis. So user init only we can put it. Now you can observe my scenario. Now I want to pet booking, like booking is a 10, I want to cancel only 2 or 5. How we can do? Anyone? Yes. So very real-time scenarios these are, and very important from the interview point of view. So they will give from the different actions. I want to execute from this 10 times. This is for the 5 times. Okay. This is 50 times. This is for 100 times also. So like that they will ask. Then how will be do for that scenario? Anyone? Manish? Narayana? Hello? Everyone able to hear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You have any idea, Ravi?
Yeah, today is little bit complex, so that's why I'm thinking about it.
Okay.
We
What
have to
about
wait.
Narayana? Yeah, what about Narayana and Manish? Already you guys will be know, right? This already class completed, right? Previous batch. Okay, so how to we can give means, for example, you can execute again now, and first we'll observe here. So just I created from the one more is a cancel. So see now execution is completed. Now we'll observe here. So you have the sessions, these are user init. How many times it is happened? Only one time. Means as a launch login only one time it is happened. After that, that user only it will executed from the 10 times 10 tickets is booked. Cancel also is booked 10. And user end is logout also happen from the after last user cancel the pet booking. It is logout is done from the one time. So
So,
my
okay,
scenario is I told pet booking is a 10 and cancel is a 5 times. So means how will give means? Yeah, please. Now Ravi, you are
so cancel pet booking. We didn't record the script for
no
cancel.
no just we have not recorded anything. Just I created a action only. Okay.
Okay,
If it is there, it will execute from the same like this only. Like it will execute from the 10 times like this only. What is there in that code?
okay, okay.
Okay.
Because this included in action.
Yes, yes. So you can observe. So how it is, this is there. Same thing we'll get from the code here also. But we are not given anything. Okay. Just our understanding point of view we are given for this. So means without doing anything, how many times you are given from the runtime settings? Runtime settings. So 10 times you are given. That is why 10 times it is executed. So now my scenario is I want for only for the pet booking 10 times. Okay. Cancel is a 5 times. So how to we can do means open for the runtime settings and go to the run logic. This is the run logic and here you need to provide from the can observe here is init there and run there and end there. So now we want only for the pet booking and cancel. So first thing you need to add from the here. So you can just click on right button, insert action. In that first point what? Pet booking you can add. Okay, one we are added. Again you can add for the one more insert action and we need to cancel. Okay, now we are added from the two scenarios. One is from the cancel, one is a pet. So we can insert a black first. Okay, insert a black. In that black first you need to add from the in what is the action you want, you can add insert and pet booking. I added and you can add from the one more black, insert black. Next what is the black? Insert action, cancel. Okay, now you can clear from this. Okay, we are already added from the this to right, you can clear this. Okay, remove this. Okay, because we are added from the blacks from the this two, so we can delete this all, no need from this because I added right, just action all I added, that is why first we need to add from the blacks. In that black we need to add from the our action part. And one more we can delete and see remove. Now you can observe, you can give from the here only one time. Okay, because it is calculated from the iterations and based on from the which action how many times you want it will come. So can insert action and pet booking. So now click from this black. Here I want booking how many times I told for the 10. And if you click from the black, this is I want from the 5 times. So using for the this blacks concept, we can do from the as per our requirement. So how many times for the if I want pet booking, how many times you want from the cancel, you can do it now. See now we'll see as per our expectation, it is generated or not. You can observe also. Now my scenario what? 10 times will be ticket booking, 10 times will be cancel. See now you can observe here. See pet booking how many times it is happen? 10 times. Cancel how many times happen? 5 times. So using this blacks concept we can do from the like this based on for the our requirement. So everyone clear for this?
Sir, can you please repeat first step when we use the virtual user unit is 1 and virtual end is 1, because this is little bit complex. I try to understand, and so can you please, sir? It's a little bit complex for me. I don't know.
Yeah, see for example,
Yeah, this one.
yeah, for example, this script we already done, right? Okay, now what we can do means we'll open controller and we'll see the execution also. Then you will be don't confuse because control this we use on only for just debugging point of view or script is okay or not point of view it will use. Now we'll see in the controller also. Okay.
So what is the our main motive to do this? Like we have to understand it. We have to execute it.
No, execute point of view. So only I want 10 times only login, but business part it will execute from the number of times.
Okay, but not for the initial and end transaction.
Yes. Okay, now what is our script name? We'll say this pet store pet booking. What is the date? 08. I think this is ours, right? Yeah. 08/12/23. This is all right. Just I'm adding. You can observe. So you can observe. So only one user. I want more users means you can add from the users here. For example, I'm adding from the 10 users. Okay, and just ramp up. I'm giving from the some 0 1 second.
And sir,
And
we can't give loop count here in controller, like iteration.
iteration you can give means again here also you can open from the like it will be runtime settings will be there. There you can set up.
Okay.
Okay, so just you can observe 5 minutes duration I given. No need from the 5 minutes. We'll give from the just 3 minutes at least. Okay, 3 minutes. Now you can observe 10 users I'm executing. So this script I'm executing. Okay, this script I'm executing. My intention is only user init 10 times only it will execute, and pet booking it will execute from the in the 5 minutes duration. How many times it will happen? It will pet booking it is happen. Okay, and cancel will be same. and user India also same. So now we'll here just start scenario, go to the run, just start scenario. So now you can see the show user also like I will show this also. Login message will be see only when error occur only where okay we are not set the okay this and see it is happen from the 10 like this, and so you can observe here all 10 users login is done, and after the run means it is the action part. 10 users login is completed, now action they are doing. You can observe action, it is a out from the number of times. It is like pet booking, payment, select a product again. So 10 users will be doing for the different times. How many times it is calculated we can observe also. So now you can observe there is no failures, and this is the time, and pass transaction count will be more. But this pass transaction only for number of only where how many times it is happening, it is calculated from the our like select product this only, but user in it and end it is only one time only it will happen. You can see the transaction. Okay, so transaction graph if you open also we can see the transaction average response time how it will be there as of now. You can observe it is a 77 transactions happen. If you click this right, see you can observe here. So only 10 times only passed from the this select pet, and this there is no failures. But you can observe from this here it is a 15 it is happen select pet transaction, and this is also it will increase. Okay, but login and launch and logout is a only 10 times only it is happen. So you can observe select product also it is a counting from the 20 like this it is coming. After that pet booking launch will be same only. You can observe now it is a pet booking transaction it is happening from the this, and next will be add to cart it will increase after 28 iteration. Okay, we can see the after results also just here simulating from the how the behavior is going from the real time also. Okay, but now you can observe user in it is a 10 only, and logout also 10 only login. Okay, and so now login logout is not done. Why? Because logout when it is happen means after the final transactions it will completed for the duration. Then after that 10 users will be logout. So now we can observe business scenarios will be executing from the number of times, but launch login it is executing from the 10 times only. Means one user login is completed. So after that, that user will be doing from the many times from the business only, like click on pet and pet details entering, select product and payment, and okay. Again after payment is completed, again is going to the select pet. So the business transactionalities happen from the number of times. It's clear, everyone?
Sir, we have set
Yeah,
up
sure.
time is 3 minutes. Why elapsed time is showing 4 minutes something? We
Yeah,
set up
we
3 minutes.
we are given, yeah, we are given from the like some ramp up time also. See, I given from the every 10 users will be 1 second. I given from the ramp up. So 10 users will be 10 second is happen. So it is calculated from this as same to the some buffer time also results correlating it is happen. So now you can observe all 10 users will gradually existing status means all users will be down from the now like logout is happen after this completed.
So elapsed time means like you're adding the ramp up, ramp down duration also.
Yes,
Yes,
elapsed time nothing but is including from the ramp up duration
ramp
nothing
down,
but is steady states and ramp down.
ramp down.
Ramp up nothing but gradually user increasing the load. Steady state is nothing
So
but how much duration we are executing and nothing but ramp down nothing but users will be down from the one by one user based on for the your given from condition.
Sir, what is the name of today topic?
Yeah, it is actions creating. Okay, how to we can create from the actions in user. Okay, that is the concept. So actually that is not part of the this controller, just your understanding point of only I told this. Okay, you asked right. Actually we are here we are unable to see the same like this behavior from the in here, so that is why just I showed from that. Now you got it right, Ravi?
Yes, sir. I have to means practice on this. After that, I will understand properly because
Okay,
this is
okay. You can go through that our reader and you can practice. Then you will easily you can know. Okay. So this is only today topic. Anyone have any doubts regarding this today class? So nothing I done, just I created from the actions and as per our user init section, I put from the launch and login section and packet booking. What are the scenarios we have? I put it this and user end section. I put from the logout section and I executed and I created from the blacks in the runtime settings in the run logic. That is the today topic. So very important concept also, and interview they will ask from the how to we can create the blacks, and I want to execute from the some pet booking something some action is this many times, some this one how many times. So how you can do means using for the run logic we can go to the runtime settings in the run logic, there we can create from the first black, in that black you need to insert from the action which action, and in the action like click from that black and how many times you want to iterate you can give from the here.
number of iteration means we can say that loop count.
Number of iteration nothing but it's not a loop count, it's complete one pet booking is completed, that is the one iteration,
Okay.
and after that second iteration it will start. So that is the iteration nothing but it's a delay between the okay iteration to iteration.
Okay.
So anyone any doubt regarding this?
Sir, I will definitely try this and will update you if any query.
Okay, okay, sure. I think
Sir, can
anyone
I
is.
ask question related to JMeter after that?
No, right now, no. How some work will be there. We'll see later.
Okay.
Sonal, you are joined, right? Sonal Gupta. Sonal, hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi Sonal. How are you?
Hi. Hi, Kiran.
Yeah, hi. I think you joined some little late, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, actually you are daily join. I think I'm seeing from the one day you are not joining, one day you are joining. You are interested?
Yes,